Hello everyone, you all are welcome in this great revolutionary business plan presentation. So today, we are here to discuss the details of an amazing crypto-based platform with all of you. So in this video, we are talking about Magic 21, the official website of which is www.magic21.io. So if we start with the introduction details, Magic 21 is a next generation crypto blockchain based platform which is dedicated to create secure, transparent and profitable earning opportunities of the global network. This is a 100% transparent system which is blockchain based and the AI algorithms base provides you the greatest opportunity. If we talk about the vision of this platform, so that is to be the global leader in digital innovation, and the mission is to empower individuals and businesses by delivering secure, intelligent and forward-thinking digital solutions. So, if you also take the wise decision to be the part of Magic 21, then here you will get to see many unlimited advantages, such as safe and secure benefit. This is user-friendly with 100% transparency, daily withdrawal facility, easy to start and net worth points. So, if you also have the desire to achieve all your dreams and to have financial freedom along with family vacations, good amount of money security, assets, free time and even your dream car or dream house, then in order to fulfill all your desires, today itself you can take the decision to connect with this platform where you will get to see the Chainbotics.io professional mind map as well. So, desire versus wealth multiplication. This map explains this everything. If we talk about cryptocurrency and its evolution, so its evolution is started from the introduction of Bitcoin till now Tron coin and many more which are here to provide you the greatest benefit. This is a decentralized opportunity which alludes to the transfer of supervision and decision making from a centralized association. And here you will get to see the power is not in a single hand. That's why you are completely free and safe and secure. If we talk about the blockchain technology, so that is a shared, immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions. And along with that only, you are going to get many other advantages such as the 24/7 support, genuine returns, security, AI strategies, user-friendly interface ED, market updates, and many more. So friends, you can be the part of Magic 21 with this decentralized system. And here, the supported wallets are MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePull, and Token Pocket. Now, if we directly talk about the complete income plan, so Magic 21. The entry in this affiliate program could be easily taken where you can start earning from just $21. Then you can generate unlimited income and here you will get to see the power of 21. Now, out of this $21 of startup, distribution is among single leg $20 and among creator $1. Now, on the basis of that, you will be getting many types of incomes such as the global single leg bonus, level bonus and reward program as well. One by one, we will discuss all the benefits which you are going to get from here. Where first of all, if we talk about the global single leg. So friends, you are going to get the profit from 1 and 2 global IDs that is A and D of $20 which will be received in top-up wallet of yours. Profit from 3 and 4 global IDs that is C and D of $20 will be received in holding fund of you. And that's how after getting profit from 4 single leg ID globally, you need to add $1 to your top-up wallet and re-enter your ID with $21. Now moving ahead, if we talk about the re-top-up entry, so here again re-entry will be done in the single leg and you will re-top up your ID and re-entry will be done in the single leg so that again and again you can enjoy this benefit. Now after this, if we talk about the distribution of the holding wallet, so out of total $20, $4 will be distributed up to 8 levels in the form of level income, $1 is for reward income, and the remaining $15 are the withdrawal which will be received by you. Now if we discuss about the level bonus in detail, so there are a total of 8 levels where in level 1, you just have to do 2 directs and your rank would be V1 and you will get $0.5 from here. In level 2, you have to do 2 direct, rank would be V2 and here again you will get $0.5. Similarly, from V1 rank to D4 rank, from all 8 levels, you are going to get $0.5 from them each, so that on the completion of 16 directs, you will be eligible to get the benefit from all the 8 levels and your total income distribution will be of $4. Last but not the least, if we talk about the reward program, so friends, after joining, you become a reward achiever if you have a team of 500 in 60 days. Now, there should be a total team of 500 active members to achieve these rewards, where the ratio of a stronger leg team should be 40% and from other leg team 60% will be counted. And just by completing this in 60 days, you will be eligible to achieve the tour to Thailand. So this is not only providing you some basic opportunities, but many more national and international opportunities along with great incomes are waiting for you in this magical platform of Magic 21. So now if we talk about some important terms and conditions, 24/7 withdrawals are open. After 5x of your top-up amount, that is working plus non-working, retop-up is mandatory. And here in Magic 21, you will get all the available support as well. So if you also want to be the part of this magical opportunity, then today itself you can visit www.magic21.io. Thank you.